reach. They're taking all of the hate, apply it to race, then innocence get a taste. So take a bullet to liberate off in the trigger stage. We stock up to be with the free, locked up to these pop up. When they try to penetrate it, we boss up. Don't wanna have to do it, but indeed shot ya. How many more people gotta fall from this evil? It'll never stop cause we don't care if it's illegal. But a weapons charges, violent fecal. When a demon is coming after you with a plan to deceive you.
Suur tänu! Tundub, et Tartus tuleb uksed panna topeltlukkudega täna kinni, sest nii võimsad etendused näitavad, kuidas sisse murda